Mr. Waris Pathan. Mr. Waris Pathan, I'm sending you a copy, a pair of spectacles, Sanjay Jha. I really will keep that promise up. आपको थोड़ी नजर जो है ना वो थोड़ी colored आती है. I'm not saying everything is fine and rosy, but you know, on facts at least you should have a plain glass chashma, which will help you to see better. Let me get in Waris Pathan. इन्होंने पहले से ही चश्मा लगाया. I hope his chashma is not colored. Waris Pathan ji, I want to ask you. Owaisi Sahab has made a statement today, and he has said that Hindutva is being imposed in the name of Muslim reforms. What is the objection to, may I ask you? On one side, अगर आपकी विरासत है तो विरासत सराहनीय है. You must keep up your culture, your religion. But what are you trying to protect? That women and girls below the age of 18 should continue to have child marriage? Is that what you are fighting against? You're fighting against triple talaq. You're fighting against child marriage for young girls. Is that what you want to fight for?
Well, Navika, I will reply to Khori. Just now I was listening to the BJP spokesperson, long speech. I thought I am not on a national channel, but on a BJP stage wherein he was just giving the long speech. Just what Modi did that since 2014. What Modi has done, you know, Mr. Bhatia? One major thing he has done is spreading hatred in the entire country, especially against the Muslim community. And you spoke about the minority. What have they done for the minority? Minority budget is also reduced. And when triple talaq issue came, Modi said, Muslim mahila hai meri behan hai. And when they want to wear hijab and go and study in school, Modi said, no, you cannot go and wear hijab. When it came to Bilkis Banu's rapist to be released, Modi was the person who said his government in Gujarat, they released the rapist outside. So what are you talking about Modi's love for the minorities? Secondly, what Modi has done is totally failed the demonetization stage. Today the farmers are protesting there on the street. What is he doing for them? The students, the children, they are on the roads, they are asking for the re-exam. What have they done for them? Re-exams now. So you don't try to praise Modi, just show what they have committed crime in the country. I would call that. Say that yes, they are against the Muslim community. Say that yes, they are against our masjid. Say that yes, they are against our Sharia. Say that yes, the triple talaq also failed miserably. Say that yes, 500 plus mosques and madrasas have been bulldozed just by saying that they are illegal without following the due process of law. Say that, but you won't say that because you just want to create one thing, just okay, praise Modi. You won't get anything, sir. Today the country went, what I am saying. Navika, just now you said, what are you trying to save? I am trying to save the constitution of the country. I am trying to save the democracy in which we live. I am trying to save the secularism of this great nation which Modi and BJP government wants to destroy. 90 years we have been following the culture, and one night at 12 in the night, Hemanta Biswa Sarma comes and describes the Muslim Marriage Act. He says now that all the marriages will be registered as per the Special Marriages Act. In Muslim, Navika, you know there is a nikah. The nikah has to be performed. Then if the nikah is there, then you have to give a mahr, which is mandatory. What will happen to that? You are living that mahr is for the Muslim woman, for the girl who is getting married. Now you remove that as well. Now where are you heading for? And you say that we are for the Muslim woman. That is why I say this is the anti-Muslim government. They don't follow the constitution. They don't want fundamental rights.
You will not respond. You will not respond to the child marriage charge against you. You will talk about everything under the sun.
They want to implement.
Problem persists. Anand Ranganathan. Gaurav, I'm coming to you, but Anand Ranganathan. Whoever's wearing glasses or not wearing glasses, दिख सीधा नहीं रहा है किसी को भी.
नाविका, to my fellow panelists, लोगों को चश्मा देना चाहते हैं कि नहीं दिखना. इनको चश्मा देने is like शोले के ठाकुर को कीबोर्ड देना. नाविका, आप कैसी बात कर रहे हैं? इनका कैटरैक्ट ऑपरेशन होना चाहिए. चश्मा इनका कोई काम नहीं आएगा. I give you now statistics that shows why people are repeatedly voting Modi. और वारिस पठान साहब वैसे मेरे बहुत चाहते हैं, बहुत बड़े भाई की तरह हैं. ये 2 बार मुझसे आपकी डिबेट्स पे हार चुके हैं जब ये कहते हैं मोदी एंटी मुस्लिम माइनॉरिटीज के लिए कुछ नहीं किया. मैंने इनको डेटा दिया हुआ है. लाखों घर बने हैं, सारी योजनाएं बनी हैं, सारा फायदा मुस्लिम्स को गया है, और ये कहते हैं कि एक घर दिया है प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने. तो वारिस पठान साहब, ये इनका सदियों से चला आ रहा है झूठ बोलना. अगर मैं झूठ बोलने का पिटारा निकाल दूं, इनका एक्सपोज करना, तो नाविका हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. मेरे पास तो वैसे भी आप सिर्फ 30 सेकंड्स देती हैं. अब मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि लोग क्यों वोट देते हैं. नाविका आप मुझे बताइए कि अडानी 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 राहुल गांधी कर रहा है, क्या अडानी के घर में टॉयलेट है कि नहीं है? सीधा आंसर है ना। लेकिन 120 मिलियन इंडियंस के घर में टॉयलेट नहीं था। अब आप मुझसे पूछिए, चलिए सरकार ने, मोदी ने 9 साल में 120 मिलियन टॉयलेट बनाए, उससे क्या फायदा हुआ? नाविका, साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन दैट एवरी न्यू टॉयलेट गिवन टू अ फैमिली has helped them save 52,000 in health costs. Do you know our incidence of diarrhea? It has been reduced by half because not only have new toilets been made, 120 million, 110 million tap water connections have been made. ये कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट होता है डेवलपमेंट का नाविका, इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट जीतती और हारती है। और मैं हाईवेज और उस कंस्ट्रक्शन पे जा नहीं रहा, मैं सिर्फ गरीबों की बात कर रहा हूं। 260 मिलियन आयुष्मान हेल्थ कार्ड का मतलब समझते हैं पठान साहब? इनमें से कितने मिलियन मुस्लिम्स को मिला है, ये नहीं बोलेंगे। ये 430 मिलियन लोगों को मुद्रा स्कीम्स मिली है, कितने मुस्लिम्स हैं उसमें ये नहीं बोलेंगे। 500 मिलियन बैंक अकाउंट्स खुले, कितने मुस्लिम्स, ये नहीं बोलेंगे। बस ये बोलना है 2 साल से 10 साल से चला आ रहा है मोदी एंटी मुस्लिम, मोदी एंटी मुस्लिम। अगर मोदी इतना एंटी मुस्लिम, पठान साहब प्लीज डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी प्लीज, मैं सिर्फ डेटा की बात कर रहा हूं। और मैं आपको एक और डेटा भी बता दूं, ऐसे कितने मुस्लिम्स हैं आपको पता है जो 100 मिलियन गैस कनेक्शन हुई हैं? आपको पता है कि हर साल 1.5 लाख लोग सर्टेन डेथ से बचते हैं बिकॉज उनके घर में आप गैस सिलेंडर है। तो पठान साहब प्लीज, अगर आप डिबेट पे आ रहे हैं, आप भले मेरे भाई हैं, लेकिन ये ठाकुर साहब की तरह जो आपको कीबोर्ड दे दिया गया है उसका क्या करूं, इधर उधर देख रहे हैं। आप प्लीज फैक्ट से अपने आप को जरा प्लीज तकल्लुफ रखें।
मैं रिप्लाई दे रहा हूं।
वारिस पठान, 30 seconds.
आई विल रिप्लाई 10 सेकेंड। आनंद जी मेरे बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं, मैं इनको आनंद रंगनाथन जी को लेके जाना चाहता हूँ मेरे साथ महाराष्ट्र में, औरंगाबाद में। वहाँ का नान खलिया भी बहुत अच्छा मिलता है, मैं आनंद भाई को खिलाऊंगा भी नान खलिया। और वहाँ खड़े रह के मैं उनको पूछूंगा, आनंद भाई बताइए मुझे, मोदी के प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना में कितने मुसलमानों को घर मिला है वहाँ पे? एक भी नहीं, नॉट अ सिंगल, नॉट अ सिंगल,
It's not Aurangabad.
Not a single. No, I will call him Aurangabad. You may call it Sambhaji Nagar. I will call it Aurangabad. Still, it is Aurangabad. The airport is called Aurangabad. Airport is also Aurangabad.
Will you call?
If you are flying from Delhi, you will not land at Sambhaji Nagar. You will land at Aurangabad. If you buy a ticket, don't buy for Sambhaji Nagar. You will land somewhere else. Because from Delhi you will reach Aurangabad, not to Sambhaji Nagar. Even if you come by a flight. Anand, this is not proper. Allow me to make my point, Anand. Anand, what has happened to you? Such a senior man, good orator. Good orator. Allow me to make my point. If you book a ticket from Delhi to Sambhaji Nagar, you will land somewhere else. You will have to book Delhi to Aurangabad. Still the name of the airport is Aurangabad. Please kindly allow me to
Can I
make my
call
point.
you Anand Ranganathan? I can't. So he is only telling you APJ Abdul Kalam
My name
Road
is
is
Varis
APJ
Patel. Yes,
Abdul Kalam Road.
बहुत अच्छा नाम है, बहुत अच्छा नाम। मेरे माँ बाप ने बहुत अच्छा समय, बहुत अच्छा मेरे माँ बाप ने नाम रखा है। प्राउड ऑफ इट, वारिस पठान। बहुत खुशी की बात है।
हाँ, तो फिर
कमिंग बैक टू आनंद, लेट मी, आई वांट टू कम विद मी टू औरंग, आई विल टेक हिम देयर।
संभाजी नगर,
show me a single house given under the Prime Minister Awas Yojana to a Muslim. Why would I call? If you book a ticket, Navika, just now from Delhi, that you want to land in Sambhaji Nagar, you will land somewhere else. There is no Sambhaji Nagar. Aurangabad. Aurangabad.
This is a war between you and Anand. Please, if you have to book anybody's ticket, book Anand's.
नाविका अभी
I'm telling him, tell him to book. He will land somewhere else, not in.
पठान साहब,
अरे अभी तो मैंने बोला भी नहीं है, सुनिए।
आपकी मैं क्वेश्चन,
What has Modi done for the minorities? Today, what has Modi done for the minorities? Anand, today not a single minister in his cabinet, not a single Muslim minister in Modi's cabinet since independence. This is what has he done for the Muslims in the country. एक भी नहीं है मुसलमान कैबिनेट में।
No, but how does that matter? You had in the UPA Sarkar so many ministers who were from minorities. Did they ensure that minorities got the best, right on their resources?